Welcome back, guys. Myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur. If you are a foreign director and you hold the DIN under the Companies Act 2013, what are the process of DR3 KYC for the foreign director? Right. The KYC of the foreign director, the process of KYC of the foreign director is different from the Indian director. So we will cover whole process for KYC of the foreign director, right? What are the process involved in KYC and what are the documents required? What are the process to submit the form for KYC? What are the things? What are the prerequisites required for KYC, right? So two methods of KYC. If the KYC uh, done from the web based, in this you have required only mobile number OTP and email number OTP, right? There is no another requirement for that. This is called the web form KYC. In e form DI3 KYC, you need in this form you need to fill the all of the information of the applicant father name, and if applicant holds the passport, Aadhaar card, PAN card, need to provide the all details of the Aadhaar, PAN, email, and after that OTP will be gone on the email and mobile number, right? After that you have to attach the Aadhaar, PAN, and passport and other document on which you relied, and thereafter you need to attach the DSC of the applicant foreign director and attach the DSC of the professional, right? So there are certain prerequisites for the NRI or foreign national KYC. First of all, the foreign director will have a valid class 3 DSC for the director is mandatory. The DSC must be registered on the MCA V3 portal, and you have required to, if you want to take the assistance of the professional assistance, you can take the from company secretary. There are certain documents which are required self-attested from the following authorities. Notarization. First of all, if documents notarized by the public notary in the director's country of residence, right? Apostille or consularization. After notarization, the document must be apostilled. If director country is a signatory to the Hague Apostille Convention, this is a standard international certification. If country is not a signatory, the document must be attested by Indian embassy or consulate in that country, right? I hope you will understand about the attestation of the documents. First of all, you have to notarize the document from public notary in director's country of residence, and thereafter, if company is a signatory to the Huge Apostille Convention, the director is required to uh, uh, apostille the document, right? Step by step process, I have already briefed the step by step process. First of all, log in on the MCA V3 portal and fill the forms and mention the director identification number, enter the director personal mobile number and email ID, and thereafter you have required to send the OTP or mobile number and email ID, and after that attach the following document: proof of identity, notarized and apostille and consular copy of passport, mandatory. First, proof of address. In this, a notarized and apostille consular copy of recent documents like a bank statement, electricity bill is required to be attached. Professional certification and submission. This is the whole process for filing the DR3 KYC of foreign director. I hope this video very helpful for this KYC of the foreign director. Thank you guys for watching this video.